After a car accident, it's natural to be frightened and uncertain about what you should do next. These are some answers to questions you might have after an accident. Medical help. Getting medical help is always a top priority. If anyone was hurt, call 911. Avoid moving people injured. You don't want to worsen injuries the collision may have caused. Have a thorough medical examination after an accident when you suspect you were hurt. There are serious medical conditions, including internal organ damage, internal bleeding, and traumatic brain injury, that may not cause outward symptoms right away. You want a record that the damage resulted from the motor vehicle collision so you can be compensated for all costs related to your injuries. Police. Contact the police so they can come to the scene of the accident, interview witnesses, review evidence, and make an accident report. This accident report can be evidence in a car accident claim if a disagreement regards how the accident occurred. Remember though, that the police do not decide civil liability for a car crash. Witness statements. Witness statements may be evidence when making a car accident claim. If a dispute occurs about who is at fault for a collision, you may need to provide evidence that the other driver did something wrong to obtain compensation for your injuries. The statements of witnesses who back up your version of events can convince an insurer to pay or convince a jury to side with you. Accident scene pictures. Accident debris, skid marks, the damages to the vehicles, and the scene of the accident may provide important information about the cause of an accident. Taking pictures at the accident scene allows you to preserve this evidence and may provide further proof of the cause of the collision if a dispute occurs. Photos of the persons involved will help you remember important facts months and years after the accident. Take photos of the other drivers and the passengers, as well as any witnesses. Insurance. Call your insurance company to report an accident. You may need to rely on your insurance policy to cover your losses. Some drivers who cause collisions are uninsured or don't have enough insurance to cover the injuries they cause. If this happens, you may turn to your own coverage to provide compensation through any uninsured or underinsured coverage you may have. If you don't notify your insurer about the accident within a reasonable amount of time, your claim could be denied. You could be left without a means of paying medical bills and covering accident losses. Car accident attorney. You can't count on insurance companies to do the right thing and pay as promised. Your own insurer and the insurer of the other driver are both concerned primarily about their profits rather than your health. It's best to have a personal injury lawyer deal with the insurers on your behalf. The injury lawyers at Underwood Law Office are ready to help you recover the maximum compensation available for your injury case. In Dallas-Fort Worth, the McKinney attorneys serve all of DFW, including Allen, Frisco, Plano, and McKinney, Texas. In West Virginia, their Huntington, West Virginia attorney office represents clients across the entire state. Call their toll-free number 844-UNDERWOOD or 844-863-3796 for a free consultation about a fair settlement. You pay no fee unless they win. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.